Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the pound dollar. And we're on the daily time frame, and we'll work down to the 1 hour. So on the pound dollar, we've been drifting up for a while now. We still don't know for sure whether it's just a pullback to this last wave down or not. It definitely looks like it could be a pullback. So if we do get a very significant break of structure to the downside at any one of these Fibonacci levels, then we definitely want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. By going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean the trend is definitely up on the sort of time frames, and the trend is up on the daily. We got a break of structure to the upside right here. There was a really nice entry this morning that was mostly a pound move. We had a Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Notice how price wasn't able to close below the 61%, and then it made a nice engulfing up. Like I said, our primary goal right now is definitely to look for pullbacks to go long, at least until we get a significant break of structure down, which for me, the break of structure would be right here. That's roughly a 4 hour time frame structure level that would tell me that this move up is complete. And if it does break that, we definitely will switch back to looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.